most importantly, above all, the man who just made this all possible, let me dream big, let me discover my own wings and fly out there. My dream producer, Mr. Blockbuster himself, Sajid Nadiadwala.
I thank you for those sweet words. And filmmaking is always a great experience, but with Dishoom it came with added responsibility. Having sons of your best friend Varun and Rohit, Lalima is there and Janvi is there. It's a great responsibility to work with family, because if you go wrong, then you have problems at the dinner table. But great experience, and I hope you'll like the trailer. And I just want to invite one more person who's added into our family in Nadiadwala, and he is nobody but Waga, Mr. Akshay Khanna.
Huge shout out for him.
Ladies and gentlemen, media, persons of the media, thank you all for being here. It's wonderful to be back after so long, to be associated with this fabulous team. We've all gathered here to see the first promo of Dishoom, so let's not delay. Sajid bhai.
Let's start the promo and we'll be back.
All right.
Are you excited, Rohit? Is Rohit excited?
We're all very excited.
Yeah, Glenn. Hello. John Bad. No jump. Yeah, Glenn.
पहले मैच में पाकिस्तान के सामने 86, उसके बाद बांग्लादेश के सामने 124 और अब सेमीफाइनल में 94 नॉट आउट। विराट, जब भी तू बॉलर की पैंट उतारता है, नंगा होता हूं मैं।
36 घंटे में इंडिया वर्सेस पाकिस्तान का मैच है। इसके बारे में किसी को कोई खबर नहीं होनी चाहिए। फाइनल कैंसिल करना पड़ेगा।
अगर फाइनल कैंसिल हुआ, मार दूंगा इसे। कबीर शेखर, स्पेशल टास्क फोर्स।
मत पियो, किलिंग यू।
बुलेट्स नहीं मार पाई। ये सिगरेट क्या चीज है?
जुनैद अंसारी, कमाता हूँ दिरहम में लेकिन खर्चता हूँ रुपए में। खाता हूँ इनकी लेकिन सुनता हूँ सिर्फ मोदी जी की। विराट शर्मा किडनैप मतलब अगवा, और कल फाइनल है, मतलब पाकिस्तान की तो निकल पड़ी। विराट कहाँ है? पाकिज़ा और पार्वती ISI और रॉ दोनों के लिए काम करती हो क्या?
सिर्फ खुद के लिए।
ये अरबियों का डोंगरी है बेटा। यहाँ शांड पत्ती सिर्फ शानों पे जचती है, पुलिस वालों पे नहीं।
संभल के, गुड्डू अकेला नहीं है।
बच्चे
तो गोद में ले ले।
तुम यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो?
सालों से स्पाइडरमैन का उल्टा किस प्रैक्टिस कर रहा हूँ। कर ले। देख कबीर, तू मुन्ना भाई होगा लेकिन मैं सर्किट नहीं हूँ। तू बैटमैन होगा लेकिन मैं बर्डमैन नहीं हूँ। तू हीरो होगा लेकिन अब मैं भी हीरो।
विराट यहाँ नहीं है। I think we've lost him. वागा नाम है मेरा, क्योंकि ना हूं मैं हिंदुस्तान का ना पाकिस्तान का। बस जो प्लेयर गेम बदल पाए, पीछे पड़ जाता हूं उसकी जान का। लेनी छोड़, अब शायद देनी पड़ेगी। पहले मैच में पाकिस्तान के सामने 86, उसके बाद बांग्लादेश के सामने 124 और अब सेमीफाइनल में 94 नॉट आउट। विराट, जब भी तू बॉलर्स की पैंट उतारता है, नंगा होता हूं मैं।
36 घंटे में इंडिया वर्सेस पाकिस्तान का मैच है, इसके बारे में किसी को कोई खबर नहीं होनी चाहिए। फाइनल कैंसिल करना पड़ेगा।
अगर फाइनल कैंसिल हुआ, मार दूंगा इसे। कबीर शेरगिल, स्पेशल टास्क फोर्स।
बात पियो, किलिंग यू।
बुलेट्स नहीं मार पाई, ये सिगरेट क्या चीज है?
जुनैद अंसारी, कमाता हूँ दिरहम में लेकिन खर्चता हूँ रुपए में। खाता हूँ इनकी लेकिन सुनता हूँ सिर्फ मोदी जी की। विराट शर्मा किडनैप मतलब अगवा और कल फाइनल है, मतलब पाकिस्तान की तो निकल पड़ी।
विराट कहाँ है?
पाकीज़ा और पार्वती ISI और रॉ दोनों के लिए काम करती हो क्या?
सिर्फ खुद के लिए।
ये अरबियों का डोंगरी है बेटा, यहाँ शांड पत्ती सिर्फ शानों पर जचती है, पुलिस वालों पे नहीं।
संभल के, गुड्डू अकेला नहीं है।
बच्चे
तो गोद में ले ले।
यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो?
सालों से स्पाइडरमैन का उल्टा किस प्रैक्टिस कर रहा हूँ, कर ले। देख कबीर, तू मुन्ना भाई होगा लेकिन मैं सर्किट नहीं हूँ। तू बैटमैन होगा लेकिन मैं बर्डमैन नहीं हूँ। तू हीरो होगा लेकिन अब मैं भी हीरो।
विराज यहाँ नहीं है। I think we've lost him. बागा नाम है मेरा, क्योंकि ना हूं मैं हिंदुस्तान का ना पाकिस्तान का। बस जो प्लेयर गेम बदल पाए, पीछे पड़ जाता हूं उसकी जान का।
अरे तूने कितने में ली?
लेनी छोड़, अब शायद देनी पड़ेगी।
अरे व्हाइट लाइट बोलो मत। तू बोलना, तेरे मुंह में बोला काफी जवान नहीं।
हेलो, थैंक यू लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन फॉर दैट। एंड अभी हम लोग Q&A स्टार्ट करते हैं, जो सबसे अहम और इम्पोर्टेंट और मस्ती भरा आलम है। So we start with all your questions and answers, and can I request the entire team please to first come and join me on stage as well, please. Sajid sir, Rohit, Akshay.
I'm removing.
Your heels?
No.
Oh, okay.
Guys, I just have a small request. While the trailer was playing, everyone who was shooting it on their phone, it's extremely disheartening because there's a lot of effort and love that has been put into this. So please don't post that. If you have it on your phone, don't tweet it, don't Instagram it, because the trailer will officially be out on YouTube. And
We'll give you the link. Please tweet the link or post the link and send it to your friends. That'll be a lot of help. Yeah, because we've got John, and John hates piracy, and you'll have to answer to him otherwise.
Yeah, see the master.
Please ask esteemed partner, Nandu from Igor.
So we're opening the floor now to any questions.
Someone will raise their hands and we can send a mic across to you guys over there. Okay. हाँ, आलोक जी.
Hi, John, वरुण. बेहतरीन ट्रेलर, मजा आया. कॉन्सेप्ट भी काफी यूनिक सा लगा. शूटिंग के दौरान कई खबरें आई थी, लाइक कि कभी आपको इंजरी हो रही है, कभी जॉन सबको इंजरी. तो वो दौर क्या था, और उस दौर के बाद जब ये ट्रेलर आप देखते हैं तो हाउ यू बोथ फील?
वो जो दौर था दौड़ने के वक्त हुआ था. जो मेरे भाई है, एक शॉट था जो गाड़ी के ऊपर जंप करना था मुझे, और इट वाज अराउंड आई थिंक 38 to 40 degrees and we were not getting the perfect take, and he's quite a perfectionist and we kept doing it again and again, and I think while jumping over the car my finger got stuck between the bonnet of the car and the other दूसरा हिस्सा है, and it was very hot as well, and because of that pain I think I got a heat stroke, and I don't think I fainted, but he claims he claims that I
kind of बेहोश हो गए थे टेक्निकली, मतलब कुछ 30 सेकंड के लिए. बट जो कमाल की बात है कि वरुण इस पिक्चर में चॉपर से भी लटके एज यू सॉ, बट तब उन्हें कुछ नहीं हुआ था, लेकिन जंपिंग ओवर दिस कार,
क्योंकि उस वक्त मेरे सामने जॉन थे, तो मुझे लगा कि चॉपर को कुछ हो जाए तो ठीक है, कुछ और हो जाए तो मैं जॉन को पकड़ लूंगा, तो ठीक है, तो बच जाऊंगा.
जॉन सर, अगर आप
I think we had a lot of fun, great action, or I think the action sequences are very large in the film. It's a huge scale film, really huge.
जैकलीन, अगर आप किसी को भीष्म कहना चाहें तो किसे कहेंगे और क्यों?
Any actress you mean?
No, Lisa.
Who?
Lisa.
Lisa Hayden.
But I just have to say, actually, those lions that you saw, they were actually in front of us, and they were very scary, and so were the camels. So, because we're talking about scary things.
साई सर, एक तरफ हाउसफुल 1, 2, 3 आ रही है, एक तरफ भीष्म जैसी फिल्में भी आ रही हैं आपकी तरफ से, तो अभी और क्या प्लानिंग है, क्योंकि ये 2016
बस
सर बोलिए ना.
No. Come on. Okay, it is last, but
आप डायरेक्ट करेंगे इस साल?
make something.
next year.
Hi, I'm from the bus direct this side to your right. Here.
Hi, what's up? How's it
Yeah. The trailer is mind-blowing, really fresh, not seen here at all. My question is to the entire cast. This seems like a film which is really close to your hearts. Can you tell us all about one special moment which you had in this film which really made you feel this should work?
I think we'll start with Sajid sir, because I think why he greenlit this film.
We've been trying to work for about 3-4 years, and the first line when he told me, that took me about 2 minutes, 2-minute line, and it was green lighted then.
Yeah, it was that immediate actually. You know, it's Sajid Bhai's instincts which are so strong, and he's always so decisive that it just gives me a lot of confidence. And it was just his reaction to the basic story that, you know, pushed me to just get on board and start writing it, and it just gave me a lot of energy and drive.
I think John.
I think just all of us coming together is fantastic. With Sajid, it's my second film, and I think for me, at least, he's grown more as a friend, and I can confidently say I'm really close to him today. Rohit is like my little brother, so it's after Desi Boys I'm coming back with him. Varun and I, jo aapko dikh raha tha screen on the screen, we're the same off the screen. Our chemistry is absolutely fantastic, And Jackie, of course, I've worked with her before. I'm working with her again. She's a sweetheart. Akshay, I mean, I've been a huge fan of Akshay. So the fact that he's in this film means so much to me personally. I think he's a fantastic actor. And the team, Miros, Nandu here, you know, we're a good team together. So it just feels very nice to be on this film. It's very special. And it comes from our heart. We're not forcing a line here. It all comes from the heart.
For me, honestly, it is super emotional. He is my brother and he is my hero in real life. And I even remember when Desi Boys had released, I went to every theatre, tried to find out what the audience reaction, and it's different. It's different from my film releasing. It's different from my father's film releasing or a friend's film releasing. I can't really put it in words how it feels when your own blood like gives his life to make something special. And honestly, I feel there's one person needed who has to be very obsessive when he's making a film, who has to give it his all. He either goes in all or nothing, and that was Rohit. and I'm proud that his madness has made this film work, and that's what you see on screen. It's all him.
One question.
I've paid Varun to say all that.
One question I want to ask Mr. Khanna. Why you make your fans wait so much to see you on the screen? A long gap. We really miss you.
Thank you. I had some personal issues which I had to sort out, so I couldn't work for a while. But I'm thrilled to be back with this film and a couple of more films this year. And you were talking about why everybody did the film. I think for me, besides for many other reasons, which a lot of them are standing here, but I think just the one line of the film is so fresh. As even just 36 hours before a India-Pakistan final, a major Indian cricket player gets kidnapped. I mean, just that simple one-liner is so interesting and so fresh. And the fact that I kidnap him makes it even nicer. So, that's the reason I was so interested in the film in the first place.
Thank you for coming back.
Hi everyone, I'm Sunil from Movie Talkies here.
Hi Sunil.
Hi. Yeah, my question is to John. John, you're a non-smoker in real life, and your character is like promoting smoking in this movie. So was it the character has this characteristics which is very important for the movie, was smoking?
Yeah, good question. So I asked Rohit the same thing. Yeah, I said I'm a non-smoker and I'm smoking in the film. He said the character is very important. He said character comes first, and this is your character. You've got to play the character. So this is something that goes out to the audience. We're not encouraging smoking in this film very clearly. But it's his character. He's a chain smoker, and there are a lot of scenes in the film that are very relevant to his smoking in the film, which is why I think there are fantastic scenes with cigarette. Rohit, you want to stress on that?
Yeah, and he's even in the trailer. If you hear, there's a female voice that tells him, "Mat piyo, it's killing you." So the film doesn't endorse smoking at all. There are constantly characters around him who are telling him to just stop the stick, but he's a nicotine addict. He's a cop. Thoda sa sanki hai picture mein, and this is where he gets his fix from.
John, also we have been watching you in action movies here for a while. Like Force 2 would be the upcoming one, another, and the last release Rocky Action was an action movie. This one also the same. So can we see Garam Masala Sam anytime back?
I don't know. I think that we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. It's too early to say. And right now it's just
comedy.
Yeah, maybe in the future. Yeah, sure, for a change.
Hi, Jacqueline. Hi. Priyanka, you're from India Films here. Hi. You're looking stunning today.
Thank you.
Okay. So, we've seen the boys do a lot of action in the film. And, few of your glimpses are as well seen in the film. Yeah. So, is there more to it on the action front from your side?
Well, actually I was just happy to be part, because there is so much action in the film concerning the boys. There's a full chase, there's a full adventure happening in the locations and stuff as well. And I was actually part of that. So I was part of that chase with them. So whatever they were going through, whatever they were running from and trying to achieve, I was part of that. And yeah, it was a crazy adventure.
It was crazy.
It was. I mean, like I said, we got to witness those animals in real life. We got to, that entire bike that you see, that entire sequence was off a cliff, so I'm not saying I'm like beating and bashing up anyone, but just to be part of that to me also is a huge high octane action, so to be part of that was amazing.
So did you enjoy yourself in that process?
Yeah, it was crazy. I mean, like very
She got a swollen knee doing Zumba. That's true.
I used to make them, when we were shooting Morocco, I used to make them, including John, do Zumba after shoot. So I did get a swollen knee actually. It wasn't from the action sadly, but it was from Zumba. Thank you, Varun, for sharing that with everyone.
Sajid ji, on your left. Yeah.
सब लोग पॉइंट करो उसको किधर
साजिद जी, ऐसे में तो क्या आप मोदी जी को भी आप ये फिल्म दिखाएंगे?
किसको? मोदी जी को तू फोन कर।
प्रोडक्शन वालों का काम है आपके फिल्म।
आपको डायलॉग अच्छी लगी?
जी बिल्कुल, बहुत ही अच्छे लगे।
हाँ, ये डायलॉग्स हुसैन दलाल ने लिखे और वो इस वक्त हमारे साथ है नहीं। बीच नहीं है, and yeah, he's still alive. Sorry, हमारे बीच नहीं है, and he's written all the lines in the film.
साजिद जी, आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? ओके वरुण, वो
भाई तू बोल, हमारा रिश्ता बहुत पुराना है।
वो कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस अंडरवियर में शूट करने का?
अच्छा है, वो मेरे साथ था तो अच्छा ही लगेगा ना।
बहुत अच्छा है। रोज जब मैं उठता हूँ अंडरवेयर में उठता हूँ, रोज जब मैं सोता हूँ अंडरवेयर में सोता हूँ। उसके बीच में जो होता है वो मैं बता नहीं सकता।
नहीं यहाँ सेट पे इतने सारे
सेट पे बहुत नहीं, मस्त था यार, एकदम मस्त था। अच्छा हवा चल रहा था, जॉन भाई थे, तो मतलब एक अच्छा इंस्पिरेशन मिलती है।
एक दूसरे को देख रहे थे हम।
हाँ, खुश थे।
जो हाल ही में हाउसफुल 3 के ट्रेलर लॉन्च पे अक्षय कुमार ने कहा कि आपको सांड बताया, उन्होंने कहा कि वो इस फिल्म में नहीं है, तो क्या आप भी उन्हें कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
मैं कुछ नहीं कहना चाहता, वो तो बॉस है।
ओके, अक्षय खन्ना जी कैसे हैं आप?
भाई संभाल के पूछा, अभी संभाल के पूछ।
कितने दिनों की छुट्टियों पर गए थे आप क्या? क्योंकि अमूमन देखा जाता है कि लोग छुट्टियों पर कहीं बीच पे जाते हैं या कहीं कुछ भी जाते हैं।
No, I was not on holiday. I had some serious personal issues which I had to take care of, and nothing other than that.
अरे यार हो गया next यार।
Hi, this is Faridun from Bollywood, this side.
Hi, Faridun.
Hi. First of all, Mr. Khanna, incredible to have you back. You are amazing talent. The questions have already been asked to you about your absence here, this side. This side? On your right.
On the right.
On your right. So the questions have already been asked that I had in my mind. So welcome back once again, and we hope to see you much more in the films in the near future. To Varun Dhawan, I'd like to say fantastic promo. Actually, I think it's looking very, very entertaining.
Thank you, Faridun.
And you know when the poster came out with the dog and you and Mr. and John Abraham. You know, I was going through a few mentions on Twitter, and some people were saying that these guys, they're having swag actually. And when we saw the promo today, we see the swag written all over the promo, and when the entire swimming trunks into the picture, so the swag factor just hits the roof somehow. So could you just elaborate more on the swag factor that your fans are looking forward to?
I would honestly shown you, but I don't want to offend anyone over here. But I think the swag factor, I think it's just about the attitude that Rohit kind of told us to keep. Junaid and Kabir are two very distinct characters, and their characteristics are very distinct. He's quite hardcore, he is a loose cannon, and Junaid's a rookie cop. He wants to learn, he's very eager to learn, he wants to be part of the... So while I'm trying to be like hardcore and stuff, andar se I'm having a lot of insecurities and reservations, but I want to look cool. So that's why I have the bulldog and stuff. But yeah, honestly, I think the swag, where does it come from, bhaiya?
I think it comes from Rohit and Sal.
I don't know, it probably just comes from me, I guess.
Yeah.
Both are just
swag.
copying me, Varun and John.
Naturally swag.
Why don't you show us how
No,
John
it's
walks
just
in our
like
No, show us. Why don't you
just
show
like
us?
they
Just show us. Why don't you show us? No, just show. He should know that this is not home where I'm the younger brother. This is my house. I've done this very often. I know all these people. So I think, why don't you show us? You can't bully me over here.
No. So it's a huge team that comes together to make them look so good.
Varun.
और ये आवाज
Yes,
पांडे जी कितनों को आपने क्या क्या करा है आप हो ना इधर आप
जी मैं यही हूँ ओके वरुण ये डिशुम इसका
पहले तो मैं बोलूँ ये आपकी आवाज सब लोग हिल गए इधर No, that's his. पांडे जी आप प्लीज खड़े हो जाइए
जी बिल्कुल
That's Mr. Pandey.
Yes, hello, Mr. Pandey.
थैंक यू ये डिशुम मतलब क्या है इस पूरी पिक्चर में कुछ कनेक्शन है
So बहुत कनेक्शन है डिशुम आई थिंक पुराने फिल्म्स आई थिंक मोर देन मी आई डोंट थिंक आई शुड आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन आई थिंक लेट हिम ओनली व्हाई डिड वी कॉल इट डिशुम
डिशुम जो वर्ड है आई थिंक एटलीस्ट हमारे देश में इंडिया में बिफोर यू से मम्मी पापा अब्बू अम्मी बच्चा डिशुम बोलता है मतलब बच्चा या कहीं भी हो you know of any age any strata of society it's the first word that usually a child utters while he's playing with his toys and just beating them up himself so I just feel it ये action genre जो होता है there's no better word to describe it in our country you know dishum just means punch and whether it's a line a punch line or it's someone hitting each other or it's a chopper or a bike or a speedboat जिस बात में वो थोड़ी punch हो it's just that means dishum for me
आपने अपनी जिंदगी में किसको सबसे ज्यादा डिशुम
बोला नहीं मतलब साउंड सुना हाँ वरुण को मारते वक्त बहुत खाया उसने बचपन से
वरुण
You wanted to see more of his butt.
Yeah, John, why? Why did you restrict it?
John.
Yeah.
Every time I pulled it down, Varun pulled it back.
ऐसे नहीं मेरे बच्चों के टीजी है ऊपर कर
Hi Varun, John. Yeah.
So okay.
See, the cricketer in the film, he's India's top batsman, just like Virat Kohli. He's athletic looking, extremely attractive, just like Virat Kohli. उसकी हारती हुई मैचेस जिताने की आदत है, just like Virat Kohli. But his name is Virat Sharma and he's not Virat Kohli.
No, I think except the name, I love the name, and I played Kabir in Dhoom.
And he's not a Roy agent.
I'm not a Roy agent in this, so it's a different template, it's a different format, it's an action adventure film. It's very different, and I love this space. I really love this space. I don't think anybody has any boundaries today, on social media today. So, very honestly, I think there's nothing like honesty on the net in any case. So, all you guys have become so brave on the net because no one has a face today. So, it's fantastic, yeah, to actually combat faceless people most of the time. So, congratulations to all of you on social media.
Jacqueline, you are turning sexier by the day.
Really? Stop it.
What is the mantra and what Varun, he fainted because he was in a hot girl beside him?
Auntie see you and faint also. हमारा last time